Hi everyone, you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I'll put some black paint on it. I'd like to do a flip cup just using black and white, and I have actually put some OGX in there in the white, so I'm hoping for something rather nice. And I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, can you? Oh yes, just a little bit, that's alright. Just going to do 2 cups, if I have enough white. Might have to quickly do a second cup. Hopefully I might not have enough white, but I've got a bit more there made. I just have to thin it down a little bit if I don't have enough. It might be enough anyway. I'll just scratch this bit out. I just know what's going to happen in a minute. So, where is it? There it is. Okay, so I may as well scratch this black cup out as well, eh? I have the last of that. They are slightly different. The recipes for these paints you'll find, and the pouring medium, you'll find below shown or under the video. Whoops, stand up please. Fell over. And I just want a piece of card. Right, tip these over. One there, whoops, splurged, and one there. And we'll just see what we have. Don't want you over, get back. Okay, so let's get on to this. Going to be pretty on, I think. Just get over this corner, may as well. Bring it down, and then lucky last. Stop barking. Okay. So, how pretty is that? Wiping off the hands, and then I'm going to give it a little torch. And we'll see what we have, what we might do, whatever. That certainly has got the air bubbles out. And I rather like it just as it is, but it's still a bit flat, so I'm going to get another knife. Put a bit of Floetrol in there to thin it down a bit. For those of you overseas, I see that some of you have been paying extra money, quite ridiculous amounts actually, This is the Floetrol we use here in Australia. Can I see that? Yeah, this is the Floetrol that we use here in Australia. So that's what that looks like, and I don't know. I see that. I'm going to move you out a bit. That's a bit close there. I see that's a different type of Floetrol, even though they call it Australian Floetrol. So whether or not it's the same, I don't know, but from what I can see, the cost of it, this is 1 litre, which is 1,000 ml. I don't know how many ounces a litre is. Doesn't say. But that cost me $28, so I think you guys are being ripped off, is what I'm saying. Not that I can do anything about that, but I just thought I'd tell you. Okay, so I'm just getting another cup. I'm going to put in some OGX. Where did I put it at? There it is, hiding. And I think I'll do a bit of a ring pour there. And I might spray the cup with some silicone spray. Oh, smells badly. Just give this a little. That'll do. And I'm just going to do this and a bit more black. In fact, all of it. Scrape it out. And I just do it here. This is much nicer now. And get it around here. Alright, now the black. I do have a little bit of black left. I just want a little bit there like that. Right, I think that's kind of cute. Starting to rain, goodness gracious. Right, just switch you off while I shut a few windows. Right, I'm back. I managed to get all the windows closed. That was a bit of a surprise because just a couple of hours ago I was in the swimming pool, clear blue skies. It is now 9 o'clock at night, so we just had a surprise downpour. and I'm really impressed with this painting. I'm going to bring you down to take a look at it and hopefully you like it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And you can't go past black and white. I think it always looks good. Black, white and gold looks nice. But there's my little sunburst. As you can see, got some cells, lovely lines swirling. Quite an impressive picture. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.